أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. O Prophet, instruct the believers, when you intend to divorce women, then divorce them with concern for their waiting period and count it accurately. And fear Allah, your Lord. Do not force them out of their homes, nor should they leave unless they commit a blatant misconduct. These are the limits set by Allah. And whoever transgresses Allah's limits has truly wronged his own soul. You never know. Perhaps Allah will bring about a change of heart later. Then, when they have almost reached the end of their waiting period, either retain them honorably or separate from them honorably, and call two of your reliable men to witness either way, and let the witnesses bear true testimony for the sake of Allah. This is enjoined on whoever has faith in Allah in the last day, and whoever is mindful of Allah. He will make a way out for them and provide for them from sources they could never imagine. And whoever puts their trust in Allah, then He alone is sufficient for them. Certainly, Allah achieves His will. Allah has already set a destiny for everything. As for your women past the age of menstruation, in case you do not know, their waiting period is 3 months, and those who have not menstruated as well. As for those who are pregnant, their waiting period ends with delivery, and whoever is mindful of Allah, He will make their matters easy for them. This is the commandment of Allah, which He has revealed to you, and whoever is mindful of Allah, He will absolve them of their sins and reward them immensely. Let them live where you live during their waiting period, according to your means, and do not harass them to make their stay unbearable. If they are pregnant, then maintain them until they deliver. And if they nurse your child, compensate them and consult together courteously. But if you fail to reach an agreement, then another woman will nurse the child for the father. Let the man of wealth provide according to his means. As for the one with limited resources, let him provide according to whatever Allah has given him. Allah does not require of any soul beyond what He has given it. After hardship, Allah will bring about ease. Imagine how many societies rebelled against the commandments of their Lord and His messengers. So we called each society to a severe account and subjected them to a horrible punishment. So they tasted the evil consequences of their doings, and the outcome of their doings was total loss. Allah has also prepared for them a severe punishment. So fear Allah, O people of reason and faith. Allah has indeed revealed to you a reminder and sent a messenger reciting to you Allah's revelations, making things clear so that He may bring those who believe and do good out of darkness and into light. And whoever believes in Allah and does good will be admitted by Him into gardens under which rivers flow, to stay there forever and ever. Allah will have indeed granted them an excellent provision. Allah is the one who created 7 heavens in layers, and likewise for the earth. The divine command descends between them, so you may know that Allah is most capable of everything, and that Allah certainly encompasses all things in His knowledge.